Hello to all my friends out there, and this video is chatting over tea on the stockpile and the coupons. Okay, I have regular tea here with some lemonade I made, 4 cups water, half cup sugar and a half cup lemon, and then that's half tea. And at night this is really good to sit around and drink. So I just started doing this, and I'm going to be making limeade and lemonade this summer. Okay, so for the thing about stockpile is constantly working on it a little bit. So okay, one of the things I stockpiled was dry fruit, and there's a couple of reasons. One, you can carry them around in a little bag and eat them. But another thing is they make good trail mix. And usually it'd be M&Ms, nuts, dry fruit, or granola. But I'm thinking, you know, I have all this chocolate, so I keep it in the freezer once I buy it. And so I could make some trail mix with nuts, dry fruit, and some of my chocolate, you know, just break it into some small pieces. But the other thing I could do is make this raisin bread with any kind of dry fruit. I've made these braid breads before, and these are nice. I'm going to be making some of this. And I bought these. These have been good little cookbooks. If you get a chance to get these at Dollar Tree. And here is the baking powder biscuit recipe I'm probably going to use. I'm going to try to be making my own biscuits. I think they're cheaper. So I actually got 3 of these at Dollar Tree one time. Okay, and then the next thing is about the coupons. Okay, so what I was doing is I was leafing through my coupons, and so this summer I want to make sandwiches, good sandwiches. So here's a good looking ham and cheese sandwich, and you know, there's some good looking hot dogs and hamburgers. Here's some really good looking hamburgers, and here's some chili dogs. So I'm going to be keeping my eye out in the coupons for good. This one I already showed you. And here's a good looking turkey burger. And so, you know, here's a good looking, this one has a coupon. Here's a good looking turkey burger. So what I do is when I sit around at night, oh, and I wanted to make mention, okay, at Walmart you can buy large bags of large shrimp. And what I do is I just drizzle them with oil. And this would be good French fries with shrimp and corn. And I drizzle the shrimp with oil, and I just roast them at 400. And when they're just about done, I brush a little barbecue sauce. And I was thinking nothing to stop me from finding steaks on markdown. And I was taking a close look at this. 2 filet mignons, 2 top sirloins. So basically 4 steaks, 2 pork chops, 4 chicken steaks. So say 4 chicken breasts. 4 kielbasa, and 4 hamburgers, 1 package of meatballs. So that might be a good idea, but look at this good looking sandwich here. That's a hamburger sandwich. So, you know, those sandwiches really work for me. I'm going to be giving this sandwich thing some thought. And, you know, I think it's a good idea to stockpile a little dry fruit. That could come in handy. You could put that in oatmeal cookies. You could put that in your oatmeal. That would be good too. And I'm going to be making some stuff. in the day they used to cook it in water. You know, I'm pretty sure that's when they dried it themselves. And if you get a chance to pick up these cookbooks, these are great. I bought these for $1, so God bless you all.